everyone! Welcome to my vlog. For today's video, I am going to share to you guys my ginger lemon shot recipe. This year, I made a goal that I'm gonna take better care of myself, Gio, and my family. So I have done research, some of the things that I could do to improve my gut health, because you don't know this, but I always have a gut problem. I'm actually a lactose intolerant, and if I eat cheese, I would have a stomach problem. I have done lots of research how to solve my gut problem, and I think this recipe, this helped my gut problem. I don't have any stomach problem anymore ever since I incorporate this to my daily life. And also Gio, I've noticed that he is also, I don't know, but it's for me, I noticed that he lose belly fat also because he works out. But I think one of the reasons also is because of this, because as you know, lemon and ginger have lots of vitamins that helps the immune system, helps the gut problem, helps the metabolism. So overall, it's really good. These ingredients are really good for your health. So I'm gonna share this with you guys. I know there are lots of ginger shots for sale online in the supermarket, but you don't really need to buy this. You just need to have effort to make it every week. And it's more organic. You can save more money. I don't know how much per shot. I believe they sell these tiny bottles per shot, but I don't know how much it is. And I'm gonna share it to you guys. It's really easy. You just need 3 ingredients, a blender or a NutriBullet, and a strainer. That's all you need. I'm not a holistic expert. I'm not a health expert, but this works for me and it could work for you too. But before I start demonstrating my recipe, I would like to read to you what are the benefits of ginger shots. Ginger shot benefits are numerous. There are tons of benefits. So ginger contains an active substance called gingerol, full of antioxidants and helpful for everyday digestive support. Lemon is full of vitamin C, which has an antioxidant properties and provides daily wellness benefits. In my recipe, I add pineapple, which is loaded with vitamin C too. It's because ginger and lemon taste is a bit harsh, so I like to add some pineapple to have a little bit of sweetness. So without further ado, let's start. So before you do this, just make sure you are not acidic, because lemon is very acidic. You don't really need to do the ginger shot. You can also add this to your daily water intake or ginger lemon tea every day. Also, if you want to do the shots, if you're acidic, just add more water. So for me, I only add like 1 cup of water because I'm not acidic. Gio's not acidic. But if you're acidic, just add 4 cups of water or more and you'll be fine. First, we need to get rid of the skin of the lemon. So if you ask me what are the benefits, what are the changes that I've noticed ever since I had this shot, what I've noticed is that I don't have any stomach problem anymore. That's the main thing that I've noticed. Before, I would always have a stomach problem, like gassy and like just really gassy every day. And also, I don't feel bloated anymore. And also psychologically, I feel more healthy knowing that I am taking care of myself. So it really is just amazing what simple acts of taking care of yourself do. I have 5 lemons here. I'm not gonna put all the ginger. There's this one. So next, the ginger. Some people includes the skin of the ginger. Me, I don't like it. Now we do the pineapple. Let's see. Finally done chopping. I'm gonna do 2 batches because our NutriBullet is really small. So that's the first batch. You're gonna put on like 3 pieces of pineapple. And now we blend it. Strain it after. Oh shit, I forgot to put turmeric. We're just gonna put in the second batch. We only need the juice. We don't need this. We're gonna do the second batch while waiting for it to drain. Add some water. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of turmeric. You need to make sure that you're gonna press it all because you don't want to waste it. Press it until there's no liquid coming out. You can actually use some clean cloth. It's more easier. It's more easier to drain the liquid. I'm gonna do the second batch. Press the liquid out. Okay, done. A bit tiring, huh? But it's totally worth it. So it's done. I made 1 pitcher of ginger, turmeric, and pineapple lemon shot. You're gonna need it to put it in the fridge to keep it last longer. This amount usually lasts as 1 week. So every week I make this, and every week I add something. Like last week I made ginger, lemon, and orange. And today I made ginger, lemon, pineapple, and turmeric. So this is my recipe. You can add more, you can experiment more. You can Google it, you can search it in YouTube. There's tons of resources to look for a healthy shot ingredients or recipe. Take note, I'm not an expert. This works for me, it might not work for you. I'm just a girl standing in front of you guys, sharing my ginger lemon shot recipe. Wow. But the ginger.
Yeah. Strong, but good.
Yes, but it's really good for you. Ginger is really good for you. So I hope you guys like this video. And just give it a try. Maybe this self-care will work for you. This one works for us. This personally works for me, and I hope you try it. And I hope you like it, and I hope you incorporate it in your daily habits. Hope you like this video, and if you do, as usual, please subscribe to my channel. Click the like button, click the notification button so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video.